Imisi yose turafungura.
Every single day we dinner, we take food, we eat, drink.
Kugira ngo imibiri yacu imererwe neza.
So that our bodies may feel well.
Kandi uko umuntu afungura ibimeze neza bikwiye.
And the better you eat,
birimo ibikenewe vyose.
The food that has all the elements that your body is craving for.
Umuntu aramererwa neza.
It is good for your body.
Hari n'ingwara utagwara.
And as a matter of fact, there are some sicknesses
that you can know
that will not be able to come to your body because you look after your body on how you eat well. So therefore the body requires good nutrition. The body needs a good lotion. The body needs to have a good bathing so that the body can look well and feel well. But I'd like us to remind each other that a person is not made only by the body. Even though we spend a lot of time on the body, but a person is not made out of a body alone. They are made out of this body that we see. But they also have the soul. They have the spirit. All these things to be well, and so that a person could be complete. All these things must be nourished. When you look after these parts, you become a good person. When you do not look after them, where you suffer consequences.
Hallelujah.
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 Hallelujah. Now we've giving food to the body. We also need to give food to the spirit. But also the soul needs some type of nutrition. Every one of us observe. Truly this spirit of mine, I know that I look after my body by feeding it with a nice fish, good meat and rice, all kinds of good food. What am I feeding my spirit?